Hello, it's me Erik from shackledevelopers.com, and I created this RGB lamp that you will see right now, and I haven't really recorded when I built it, apart from a few minute long video, which I will include after this little clip now, so enjoy. And of course, what you're watching right now is actually like the best version of it, because when it's other light sources in the room, this gets overpowered by the other light sources. This RGB lamp gets overpowered. So when it's completely dark in the room, apart from my computer screen right now and some other Arduino stuff that you cannot see, it looks actually pretty nice. And a good thing is that I created a library for the code. So whenever I want to change, like if I want to have a better rainbow, I just have to call and include my library. So that's something that I spent a lot of time with when it comes to developing code for Arduino. I usually just create the code, make it a library, and then I forever have that code there. So I don't need to copy the code, I just need to include the library and then call the function and set the constructors. And by setting the constructors, it's only that I say that, okay, so pin 9 is red, pin 10 is green, pin 11 is blue. And that's something that I send to the library. So I just send the numbers that I want to use, and then I call the function. And that's it. So each project, if I include the library, it's like, I guess like 8 lines of code, maybe 10 lines of code maximum. So yeah, that's what I created, and I think this looks really nice, and I'm probably going to start building more of these types, because it does actually look pretty nice. So I will say thank you for watching, good luck with your Arduino projects, and my name is Erik from shackledevelopers.com. Thank you for watching.